All right, time for some of those Wednesday birthdays here in the 4 states. And we are going to begin with Cooper Pulliam celebrating birthday number 3. Looks like he's off to a great ride there. Happy birthday, Cooper.
Up next, we have one of our very own KOAM extended family members, Mr. Charlie Clapp. Baseball extraordinaire player there, I know. Charlie is actually the son of our very own Carrie Worthen. She'd like to send you a message this morning, Charlie. She loves you with all of her mommy heart.
All right, up next we've got Hayden Sloan celebrating number 13 in Miami. Happy birthday, Hayden.
All right, and Mallory Haley turning sweet 16 this year in Miami, Oklahoma.
And Desiree Burr celebrating birthday number 19 in Lamar. Very happy birthday to you, Desiree.
Dalton Meisner turning 22 years old in Chanute.
And Cheyenne Condor also celebrating number 22. Happy birthday, Cheyenne.
In Carthage, Kendra Clements. Happy birthday.
And our list continues with Wayne Egg celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Happy birthday, Wayne.
Lorna Stover in Columbus. Happy birthday to you.
And Lori Stevens in Bronson, Kansas, celebrating number 61. Very happy birthday to all of you. And of course, like we say every morning, we love celebrating with you. How can they celebrate with us, Tanya?
That's right. All you have to do is send your birthday, include the date and the name and the age and the hometown, and even better yet, the picture too. Send that all to birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out the latest news, weather, and sports, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do, and you get special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today.